Welcome to our London Luxury Candle Supplies YouTube channel. My name is Lisa and today we're going to be making a lotus flower candle. For this perfect summer garden candle, you are going to need 450 grams of wax, 50 grams of your perfect summer fragrance. I have gone for bug off today as it includes citronella, which is perfect to keep those pesky bugs away. You're going to need your ceramic lotus vessel. You're going to need 3 of our LCS 55 wicks. You're going to need some wick stickums, a bamboo stirrer. You're also going to need your wooden wick centering tools and 3 pegs. So for this candle, you are going to place your wicks in a triangle in the centre of the vessel. So I've just added my stickum to the bottom and I'm going to place 1 at the top and press down in place, and then I'm going to add 2 at the bottom. These need to be equal distance apart. I'm now going to add my wax. So I have melted this down to 63 degrees Celsius and I've added my fragrance. I'm now going to pour it at around 56 degrees. We're going to want to pour nice and slow to ensure we don't have any air bubbles in the wax once it's set. This ceramic vessel holds around 500 grams of wax, so it's a really nice vessel, a nice size for those garden ornamental areas. Now comes the tricky part. So we are now going to add our wick centering tools. Now you're going to need something a little bit better, so I recommend our wooden wicks. You can get these on our website. We're going to want to secure them in place using a peg. So we'll just add the peg on and we'll rearrange to make that nice and secure. Don't worry, you need the patience of the saint for this part. So there's one. We're going to add our second one at the side. They are going to slip about, don't worry, that is because the natural curve of the vessel itself. So we'll get those on and then we can always secure in place after. Right, so we're just going to move them into place. That one like so. There we go. Our wicks are now secured in place. After 24 hours, my candle is now fully set and cured and there was nothing left to do but to trim my wicks. Now, remember, I have used bug off and this is the perfect summer scent to keep those pesky bugs away. So I'm going to head out to the garden with a glass of Pimm's and enjoy my candle.